Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make chicken filo parcel. First of all, we got the chicken. We cut it in a very thin, small pieces. We're going to season it with salt and pepper. We're going to add pinch of curry powder to it. And a little bit of oil. We're going to mix them all together. We're going to add a little bit of oil in a pan. Then we're going to add our chickens. Viewers, look at my chicken, they are cooking away. Viewers, we put some butter at the bottom. Viewers, we put quite a few filo sheets on them, and now we're going to put the fillings in it. Viewers, we put the chicken. Now we put quite a bit of feta cheese. We're going to add a little bit of oregano. Now we're going to cover them. Now we'll brush it with the butter. Now we're going to put it in the oven, hot oven, 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Viewers, after 20 minutes, look at that, how beautiful they look. That's my beautiful, crunchy, wonderful chicken parcel. Enjoy and bon appetit.